can set this.
What's your next step now? Are you appealing? And if so, when?
I believe we're going to look at the rulings that the court made today, and we'll probably appeal. The whole idea in this case is to have a fair trial, a fair hearing. The idea is to do it right. A criminal case is not necessarily a sprint. It can be a marathon. It's not about doing it fast, it's about doing it right. And when you have a situation where you say, well, it's a LinkedIn page and it's Wayne County, but it doesn't mean anything, well, then why was it up there? Why wasn't it Clinton County? Why wasn't it Ingham County? Why wasn't it Gratiot County? It was Wayne County. And what troubles me is, why in the world are they fighting so hard to be on this case? Last time we were here, they said, well, the Cleaves case doesn't mean anything to us. We've got so many cases. Well, when this appearance of impropriety is raised, then just give it to somebody else. It's so simple. And like I asked the judge, I said, we've been here arguing. We could have already had the hearing.
She denied that second motion for the competency evaluation, but it did seem promising. I saw your reaction when she said, look, I'm going to ask her the questions that I need to ask her, and if I see red flags, you know, because at the end of the day, this may be the determining factor that somebody is either has fantasies, you know, this may break your case, right? So it's
Well, it was incredible. The things that I was looking for in a hearing, the judge brought up herself. She asked, the judge brought up without even having a hearing. Is this woman lying? Those were the judge's words. Is she fantasizing? Those were the judge's words. These are the things. When you can get this reaction from a judge without a hearing, what do you think we might be able to get in a hearing? There's no question.
Is this Kim Worthy flexing her muscle?
I'm not sure what Kim Worthy is doing. I believe that we're entitled to a fair hearing. I think Kim Worthy should do the right thing. I think it's so obvious that she's appointed. There's countless prosecutors' office throughout the state of Michigan. Do the right thing, Kim, and recuse yourself.
The prosecutors claim this was a fishing expedition. Is this a way to get around some of the discovery rules?
No. Well, sir, in fact, I thought that was kind of a poor choice of words. When somebody's talking about jumping into the Flint River fishing expedition, I thought that was insensitive in and of itself. But it's not a fishing expedition. If, in fact, this young lady has issues, we certainly should be able to explore them. When the judge, without a hearing, uses the word fantasy, and she wants to make sure that the witness is not fantasizing, what does that tell you? We haven't even had a hearing yet. The woman has not even testified yet. That was the judge. That was not defense counsel. And I think that's very, very important and magnifies the reasons that we need a hearing.
through you.